So things are becoming more exciting, and also the spring is coming, so it's a little warmer, and I'm going to put this off. And also this to show you the result of my training. If I gain some muscles, I hope I did. I'm training, but I still need to reduce the tummy as well. But you know how they say that a good master has a tool under the roof. And another thing which I would like to surprise you with is here in my pocket. And as you may have guessed, it's another pen. It's a little thicker than the one I used before. So I hope the things will be more visible to you, because of course we are going to make some mathematics, not something difficult today. I hope and I think most of you will understand what it's all about. And it came from one of the prominent mathematicians, Carl Friedrich Gauss, German mathematician and scientist. He discovered many new equations, and we're gonna do some calculations. And I must also say that I'm satisfied with super students, as I call you now. First, I thought they thought the study is not for them, and they were hesitating, but now I think they know what it's all about, that we are trying to have some fun and, by the way, learn some stuff if possible. So now we're going to move to the classroom and try this new pen. How is it going? Well, Gauss was, besides Newton and Euler, one of three best mathematicians of all time. And they say he was also already as a child a prodigy. And the story goes, or anecdote if you will, that in 8th grade, Gauss maybe came into puberty, we don't know, and he did crazy things. So teachers decided to punish him, and he said to Gauss that he should count, sum up all integers from 1 to 100, like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and so on up to 100. And what Gauss did, he came out with the formula and give the result pretty quickly. And what he did, we will do not for just for 100, but again we will generalize the problem as we always do, and say that we will count to n, and n can be 100, can be 10,000, can be million, or even just 10. So what Gauss did is he wrote S as a sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, plus the last one we know that will be n, so pre-last will be n minus 1, and one before will be n minus 2, and so on. So we write here n minus 1 plus as the last one n. And then he wrote again the same sum, but from the opposite order, starting with n. So here is n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus so on up to 2 plus 1. And what he did next is just sum of those two sums. And we will write here a line and said he would like to sum up these two, and s plus s is 2s is the same. And here we see 1 plus n is 1 plus n, or n plus 1, and we write it in brackets. And here n minus 1 plus 2 is again n plus 1. And so on, up to the end, they all sum to n plus 1. And how many of these are? We know that there are n of these. So we can write this as a n plus 1 times n. And from this, just we divide, put these two on the other side, and we get the general formula. Sum is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. And if you put inside 100, you will get 5,050. And that is the result. So we can check for 10, for example. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 6 is 21, plus 7 is 28, plus 8 is 36, plus 9 is 45, plus 10 is 55. And if you put here 10 times 11 divided by 2 is the same as 10 times 11 times 5, which is 55. So next time, if you can't sleep, I don't know what you do, but you can count from 1 to 100, or you can make things more interesting and sum up the numbers, and to verify your result, you will use this formula. So this is for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your attention, and who knows what will be next. I hope you like it, and it is not too difficult to understand.